ఈ రోజు మనం జనరల్ మ్యాథ్స్ లో టెస్ట్ ఫర్ డివిజిబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ కొన్ని రూల్స్ నేర్చుకుందాము. Divisibility by 11. For rule, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its even places starting from the units place is divisible by 11. For example, we take the following numbers. First one 107877 and second one 35849. In 107877 the digits in the odd places are 780 and those in the even places are 7, 7 and 1. Therefore, the sum of these digits in odd places 7 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 15 and the sum of the digits in the even place 7 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 15. Difference of the two sums is equal to 0, which is divisible by 11. Hence, the given number 107877 is divisible by 11. In the second one 35849, the sum of the digits in the odd places 9 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 20 and the sum of the digits in the even places 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The difference of the two sums 20 minus 9 is equal to 11, which is divisible by 11. ఇది divisibility by 11 property. Divisibility by 4. Rule is a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digits in tens place and units place is divisible by 4. Thus, the numbers like 532, 2316, 893, 72, etc. are all divisible by 4 since 32, 16, 72 are divisible by 4. So this is the divisibility property by 4. Divisibility by 8. Rule: a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its digits in hundreds place, tens place and units place is divisible by 8. Thus the numbers 5720, 26824, 357128 etc. are all divisible by 8 since 720, 824, 128 are all divisible by 8. Divisibility by 6. Rule: a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Clearly, the number should be even and the sum of its digits should be divisible by 3. For example, the numbers 2256, 41568, 980352 etc. are all divisible by 6. Since all these numbers are even and the sum of the digits of each number is divisible by 3. Thank you for watching this video.